what the guy did was monkey paw fish. We got the McFarlane Munitions pack. I don't know why it isn't called weapons, called munitions.
Munitions.
Why? Why not armory or weapons or gun pack?
Gunsmith.
Granny Smith apple. So yeah, come for 15 plus weapons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 17. Why do you think you put 17? Say 15 plus. I don't know. But there you go. There's a show at the eye over, you can see it. But I'm kind of worried because it looks like they might be a little bit big. A little bit big. So, do I have a figure? I don't know. So let's see what this looks like real quick. Heads. When I open this bad boy up, shouldn't be that hard. Alright, there we go. So we have a couple guns that look very familiar that came with some of the DC characters before. DC said, we don't want our figures to come with weapons. I think that's trash. Because if DC is so worried about having weapons with figures, how about you guys take them out of your comic book too, and your movies? You're just going to take them out of collectibles? I don't know. I find that a bit weird. What about you, Rob?
I think that's stupid. Truly, I do.
I do too. So I'm kind of baffled. So it's all full, but I have an extra gun. I can't figure out where it came from. I don't see a spot. Am I crazy? Or did I get extra gun?
I think you might have just got an extra gun.
I think I did. Because there's no, it doesn't have a, oh wait. I was crazy. There we go. So we got that done. So, the pistols itself, they look like they're in great scale right there. I think they're both like, they take the guns out of his hand. I'm going to see how they line up. Like this machine gun, for example. This looks like it might be a little bit big. So there's that. So let's see what Grifter, if you saw that video of Grifter, check out our playlist. Let's see what this looks like. Cause this thing looks a little bit huge. Grifter is a gunsmith and came with freaking knives. So I don't know why I don't know about this. That looks a little bit big to me. What do you guys think? Looks a little oversized. What do you think?
Yeah, I think it's a little too big.
So at the M16, I think I know why he did too. Well, McFarlane, I think he made them too big because he doesn't want people using them for Marvel Legends. But my thing is, if you already buy it, you already made the money off of it, why do you care what people use it for, right? I'd be happy somebody bought my stuff. So here's an AK-47. Let's check out the size of this. What do you guys think? It looks a little bit too big to me. That's an AK-47. That looks like he's 15 years old in the army of war. I would make a joke, but I'm not going. I almost said the same thing you said. But I'm going to let this slide. I don't want people mad, so what's you going to say it doesn't fit the size. Oh, good. Alright, let's see. There's a machine gun.
Give him the grenade launcher.
This one?
Yes.
Alright. Here's a grenade launcher. Has 2 handles. Like that. This looks like it might be a good size. I'm thinking. It's not bad, right?
Not bad at all.
That is pretty good. Not too shabby. So let's see what else we got. We don't want to take up all that damn putting this. We got a Tommy gun that's insanely huge. That's huge. This looks like what is the RPG thing? Missile, not removable. Right there. There's a stack of guns. This looks like a little Uzi. That looks like that in scale. Right there. Not bad. And then here's a Joker gun, which I guess they gave it to us because they had a lot left over. Because DC said no more guns, so the Joker long barrel revolver. Here is a huge ass, I want to say maybe just an eagle with a long barrel and the silencer. I feel like they're double the size of what it should need to be. And then this is like a spawn type of weapon. Like it's not an actual gun, but I can get this thing out. Jesus Christ. Alright, we're going to just dump all this out. Make it a little bit easier. And then, alright, so here's a spawn weapon because I don't know any gun that looks like this. So, I'm guessing that's just a made-up gun. Same with this, but this could be what, a SIG or a SCAR, I guess.
Say Scar.
Yeah. That'll be on the big side. Here for my favorites. For example, MP5s right there. Get 2 of these. Have a nice little Deadpool. Here's some Resident Evil shotgun time. Yeah, I like that one. Resident Evil. So here's another, I guess this is a Desert Eagle regular plot. Maybe it's not. And then you got 2 of these 9mm. Those are in great detail. Like it. You got 2 of those. And then you have this big ass barn type of weapon. I don't know if it's a rail gun. Or it's just a gun that will shoot your face off. I don't know. But there you go. So there's the Spawn McFarlane
Munitions.
I can't say that. Munitions pack right there. You get all these guns. If you have somebody like Grifter, it's worth it because he is a gunsmith and not a knife guy. So DC we don't like you for what you did to our toys. Well, I mean, I see a lot of people complain about that, about how you gonna give us Red Hood with a knife. He uses 2 guns. So, Grifter, same thing, he's a gunslinger. Give us guns. McFarlane has these on his website, $14.99 for 17 guns, so it's kind of worth it. Under $1 a gun, I dig it. I bought 3 packs so I could get double pistols and double MP5s. So if I had to rate this, I give it a 7 out of 10 because some of these are just way too big. Way too big. It looks a little weird. But that might be on purpose. What do you guys think? Do you have this? Did you buy it? Did you like it? Show me your pictures. I want to know everything you think. Tell me below. Rob, anything you want to say?
Not really.
No. So like, comment, share. Till next time. Happy hunting.